When I tell you guys to stop vlogging as a small YouTube channel, you guys thought I didn't know what I was saying. Today, I'm going to be showing you how much YouTube pays a small YouTuber vlog channel for 4K views. And trust me, it's not what you think. So the video I'm going to be showing you is from my second channel. That is my vlog channel, which I've already told you guys about. If you haven't subscribed to that channel, you can go subscribe. The link is going to be down in the description. So this video has 4,000 views. And this video has been on the channel for almost 6 months. So it has had enough time to marinate, okay? So the money on it, or whatever YouTube paid on this video, is exactly what YouTube wants to pay. It has had time to marinate on the YouTube app. So I'll be showing you the analytics of this video and also how much YouTube paid for those amount of views for a small vlog channel. Obviously, it's going to differ for another channel that is probably big. Like I told you, if you've not watched the last video I made about vlogging, I'm going to link that in the cards for you. Check that out. You're going to understand what I'm saying better. So there are different levels to vlogging. I told you already, vlogging fits and suits influencers, people that already have name. But as a small YouTuber that's just starting out on YouTube, vlogging is not for you. And if you want to find out why, go watch that video, okay? By the end of this video, you'll be able to decide if vlogging is for small YouTubers or not. Guys, so this is my YouTube studio analytic for my vlog channel. And this video is the video I'm going to be using as example, days in my life, gymming, salon. So this is basically it. Like I said before, this channel has like 6,000 subscribers, 6,000 plus subscribers, and the channel is almost like 5-6 years old. So it's still considered a small channel to me. Now I'm going to be taking you into the analytics of this video and showing you the revenue of this video. As you can see here, this video has gotten over 4,000 views since it was published, 4K views, 6.34 watch hour, and 2 subscribers, all from this video, which is a decent amount of views. Okay, so this, you see people with 4,000 views or 5,000 views, you expect that they make a lot of money. But let me now bust your bubbles. Guess how much this video made? This video with this amount of views, 4K views, made only $0.22. $0.22. See the real-time view of this video. It has 44 views in the last 48 hours. So it's actually still getting views. And most of the views are coming from 100% YouTube adverts. I did not do an advert on this video. I don't know where the advert is coming from. Probably someone took my link and did an advert. I really do not know. But yeah, so these are the overview of the video, which is still shocking to me. But we are going to dive into the reach of the video right now. This video has an impression of 1.1K. And the impression click-through rate, which is CTR, is 2.1%. So I don't understand how the impression is 1.1K and the video view is 4,000. It doesn't make sense. Something is not mathing in this video analytics. But let's still dive into it, of course. So yeah, how viewers find this video is through YouTube adverts, 99%. That's where the traffic source is coming from. I'm still confused. I'm still blown away, but let's see more details about the video. The external source is 50% from Google and WhatsApp 50%. Like I said again, I guess probably people are sharing my video to WhatsApp and to Google. That's what got the views. And yeah, content suggesting this video, days in my life. What else again? YouTube search terms, not enough traffic for this. I'm pretty sure you are blown away seeing that a video of 4K view is getting 0.22 cents. Okay, now let's go to the revenue itself. The estimated revenue is 0.22 cents, no doubt about that. And now we're going to go to how money was made, yeah? How it makes money, which is watch page ad, obviously. And then how much advertisers pay, which is the CPM of this video, is $5. 5. So how has the video made 0.22 cents with 4K views? Now let's go to the RPM. The RPM is what YouTube pays you, because CPM is what advertisers are willing to pay. Now what YouTube pays for this video was 0.06 cents. The math is not mathing, because the percentage out of it is too much. If advertisers are paying $5, YouTube will not take this much and pay 0.06 cents. So with that 0.06 cents, calculated with the 4K views, I've only been able to make 0.22 cents on 4,000 views. Oops. Yeah, that's very, very disappointing. The revenue for every 1K view, the RPM, as you can see here, 0.06 cents. No lies are told in this video. So I'll let you guys decide if it's worth it. Okay. The earnings by ad type is display ads, skippable ads, bumper ads, non-skippable ads. So you can see here, everything is there in details. Now let's go to the audience and see where people are watching this video from. The graph is even all over the place. This doesn't look normal. The top geography of this video is United Kingdom. Watch time from subscribers. Most people are not subscribed. Most people are watching this video from their TV device and also mobile phone, but mainly from the TV. Age and gender, we don't have enough demographic to, determine that. Yeah, that's all basically for the audience of this video. Now let's move to the engagement of the video. Yeah, so the average view duration of this video is 56 seconds, which is 2 minutes less than usual. Yeah, 2 minutes and 15 seconds less than usual. The watch time hour, as we saw before, 63.4. And yeah, that's basically it for the engagement. So that's it for this video. It's actually really disappointing, and this is why I really advise small YouTubers to not vlog, because vlogging is a hard niche. You need to be giving value. I stopped vlogging on that channel. I started giving value on the channel because I noticed that I was just vlogging my life. I wasn't really giving value. So I hope this video will be able to help you make a decision on if to continue vlogging or to stop vlogging. But I'm also going to link a video about vlogging in the cards for you, so you can also understand where I'm coming from better and get to the point and also be able to make a decision. So please check out all the video I'm going to link in the cards. They're going to help you on your YouTube journey to make things easy for you. So basically, this is like concrete evidence. I really just wanted to make this video to show you guys that all that glitters isn't gold. This video made 0.22 cents. People will see the video, oh, 4K views, this person made a lot of money. It really isn't all that, okay? So yeah, just do your research, do your findings, and then choose what works best for you. We are all here on YouTube to make it, and I'm here to help my community in every way I can. I hope this video really helps you make a decision easily. So there you have it, guys. That is how much YouTube actually pays for basically 4,000 views for a video, a vlog, as a small YouTuber. And I'll let you decide if it's worth it or not. Bear in mind, that channel is not a new channel. It's a channel that has actually been existing for more than 4 or 5 years. So we cannot even say because it's a new channel, that's why it's not earning that much. So let me know what you think and what you decide down in the comments. Also share this video to somebody that would want to know how much YouTube actually really pays small YouTube vloggers. And also, if this video helped you, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let me know what you want to see next on the channel in the comments, because I'm always here for my community. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.